Prom dress ideas. With prom season coming, you'll want to find the perfect dress for that one special night. You'll want to find the dress that makes you feel great and that fits your style the best. Well, you're in luck. The ID by ID Studio dress designs are unique prints that fit most aesthetics. In this video, we'll go through the latest color trends and some evergreen options. If you love to wear A-line silhouettes or graphic dresses, keep watching this video. We'll help you find your perfect aesthetic prom dress. Trendy colors to steal the spotlight. If you're looking to steal the spotlight at prom, then color burst has been the trend. Vivid orange, extravagant pink tones, bright yellow, lime green, pastel purple. From saturated hues to pale tones, these colors can even be combined together on the same look. Polka dots, classy and unique. Polka dots are a unique choice that fits the occasion formally enough. They are classy and lovely, stylish and evergreen. Best option if you want to stand out, yet to be different. The classic. Can you wear a black dress to prom? Of course you can. Black is a color that is commonly associated with formality, classiness, power, elegance, and is a timeless choice. You can also choose red, creamy or neutral tones. They are classics for formal occasions. So, do you know what type of option is the best one for you? We hope this video inspired you to find your perfect prom dress. Shop now the ID by ID Studio dresses from this video at the link in the description. And subscribe to the ID by ID Studio channel for more.